In this video, we're going to discuss how to stabilize shaky video in Google Photos. So as you can see right here, stabilize function is no longer appearing on Video Editor. The user interface has changed dramatically in the last few days, and the stabilize option when trying to edit a video on Google Photos has been removed. So as you can see, we're having the same problem as this poster. So as you can see right here, this is happening on all others options. This user has replied that the Google Photos community has indeed having this particular problem. The availability of many feature depends on the user's current region and country of association. So if it's been removed on your end, it may be because it's not available on your country or region anymore. So in this case, you can just head over and then let this go, or try to use a VPN when trying to open your Google Photos or create a new Google account from another country. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.